Ever pondered over the term AEO in digital marketing and its potential to turbocharge your website? Well, it's time to unravel this mystery and dive into the world of answer engine optimization. Imagine a world where search engines don't just offer a list of websites, but provide precise answers to your queries. That's the realm of AEO. It's an advanced SEO strategy where the focus shifts from keywords to providing direct answers to users' questions. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? But the question is, how can you implement AEO to give your website that extra edge? It's not rocket science, but a systematic process involving 5 key steps. Step 1, know your audience. Understand their pain points, their queries, their needs. Use tools like Google Trends or social listening to get a clear idea. Step 2, create content that answers. Remember, the aim is to answer users' questions, so tailor your content to provide precise and concise answers. Step 3, optimize for voice search. With the rise of digital assistants, more people are using voice search, so make sure your content is easily understandable and conversational. Step 4, use structured data. Structured data helps search engines understand your content better. It increases the chances of your content being picked as the answer. And finally, step 5, monitor and adjust. Keep a close eye on your metrics. See what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies accordingly. So, to recap, AEO is all about providing direct answers to users' questions. It involves understanding your audience, creating answer-focused content, optimizing for voice search, using structured data, and constantly monitoring and adjusting your strategies. Implementing AEO isn't just about improving your search engine ranking. It's about establishing your brand as a trusted source of information, about building a relationship with your audience, about being the answer they are looking for. So, ready to take the plunge into the world of AEO? Remember, the path to success in digital marketing is never a straight line. It involves constant learning, experimenting, and adjusting. But with AEO, you're not just following the trend, you're staying ahead of it. And that's the power of answer engine optimization in digital marketing. It's not just a strategy, it's a revolution. A revolution that's set to redefine the way we search, the way we find answers, and ultimately, the way we interact with the digital world.